Okay, Grandma, we taped the eruption tube on and got string through these holes. And now we're gonna put get the plaster wet and put it around the string and leave an opening for the erupting tube.
You want to tell Grandma what you're doing?
Hi, Grandma. I'm putting the plaster on.
Yeah. Can you show her how you do it? How you dip it?
I dip it like this, and then I go down to this corner and put it on like that.
And then it's gonna dry, huh?
Mhm.
All right.
Okay. I'll let you.
Mm-hmm. Which hole does that go in?
Oops.
Look at the picture.
It's
Look at
looking
the picture to
good.
see.
Yeah.
So, we got red
So what are you gonna
screw,
do
orange
now?
Screw, red screw. Where's the red screw go?
On the bottom.
Yeah, on the bottom.
Wait, what?
It
It is.
Yeah,
Let's see what Daddy and Anders are doing.
Okay, go ahead and put it through.
What are you doing, guys?
We're building a butterfly.
For you, Mom.
Oh, thank you, Bud.
You built something like a car for me? No, not a car. Not a car for you. There's a butterfly.
Kind voice. That's not a kind voice.
I want.
You can build a car if you want, bud. Here you go, Mama.
Thank you.